Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to buy crypto with PayPal using your Coinbase. So here we are in Coinbase help, and if you're actually wondering why we're here, it's because I don't have the option to do so. But there's a link right here, or basically there's a blog right here on how it works. So to link your PayPal account, you will have to complete the KYC of your country residence. That is correct. From your settings, you open your payment methods and add payment method. If it's available, you can do this, guys. And then select PayPal, and it's going to be prompted to sign into PayPal. And then there, you can buy cryptocurrency and add cash using PayPal. So these are the cash out or the cash in basically rules here. So per transaction, there's going to be a limit for euros and the GBP. So I assume those are the countries that only have it, and that's why I can't see it. It's the ones with the euro, those that use euros and the GBP only have this. That's why I can't find it. But basically, per transaction, you can do 7,500 and 6,500 for GBP, and within 24 hours, you'll get only 20,000 rolling limits. So you have to follow the list right here by transaction by region. So right here, cash out is gonna be varying. So you can just read this. So if you don't have it, like me, you don't have it yet, it's not yet available in our region, and that's why you will receive an email as soon as it's possible to link your PayPal. So this is only possible with people who are living in Europe, I guess, and in London and other parts of those regions basically, because we don't have it yet. So there you go, guys. That is how you buy crypto with your PayPal on Coinbase.